start. The petitioner has filed the present revision petition inter alia impugning an order dated 31/3/2018 passed by the Juvenile Justice Board whereby the petitioner was found to be a major and accordingly his files were sent to the concerned court. The petitioner is an accused in FIR bearing number 16/2018 under section 376 of the IPC and section 4 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 POSCO Act, registered with PSFP Berry Delhi. An inquiry had been conducted regarding the age of the petitioner and two doctors, Dr. Gaurav Vinod Jain CW1, Dr. Puneet Garg CW2, were examined. They opined that the petitioner is a major and is more than 21 years of age on the date of examination, that is, as on 29/1/2018. It was alleged that the offence had been committed in June/July 2017. Considering the above, the learned Juvenile Justice Board concluded that the petitioner was not a minor on the date of the offence. The petitioner has filed the present petition inter alia stating that the subsequent to passing of the said order, the petitioner had found a certificate dated 1/7/2010 issued by the Children's Academy JH School, Bareilly, which indicates the petitioner's date of birth to be 30th/5/2000. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that in view of the above, the impugned order is liable to be set aside as a certificate issued by the school is required to given precedence over medical examination. It is seen that the certificate produced by the petitioner is a transfer certificate which indicates that the petitioner was admitted in class 6th of the Children's Academy JH Bareilly on 9/7/2009 and was removed on 15/5/2010. Clearly, this is not a certificate issued by the school first attended by the petitioner, and it is also not a matriculation certificate. Section 94 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 provides for an order of preference in respect of evidence for determining whether the person is a minor or not on the date of the offence. Section 94 of the said act is relevant and reads as under: presumption and determination of age, where it is obvious that committee or the board, based on the appearance of the person brought before it under any of the provisions of this act other than for the purpose of giving evidence that the said person is a child, the committee or the board shall record such observation stating the age of the child as nearly as may be and proceed with the inquiry under section 14 or section 36 as the case may be without waiting for further confirmation of the age. In case the committee or the board has reasonable grounds for doubt regarding whether the person brought before it is a child or not, the committee or the board, as the case may be, shall undertake the process of age determination by seeking evidence by obtaining stop